everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Una, and today we're unboxing a box, and this video is sponsored by Gentle Lay. Thank you, Gentle Lay, for sending me this big box, and yeah, let's get started. Oh, wait a second. So before starting the video, please push the subscribe button and the notification button, and I think now we can get started. So yeah, this box is very beautiful. It's pink, my favorite color, and it's for girls only, I think, yeah. And yeah, it's Gentle Day. You can follow them on Instagram, Facebook. I will put the links down below. And yeah, so let's open it. I love unboxing things. So yeah, we'll do like this. Oh my god. So I see inside there's a lot of items. And by the way, I want to tell you one thing, that this video is gonna be like girly things. So yeah, before watching this, you can know that it will be girly things. So yeah, and first thing that I see, like, there's a lot of things. Thank you very much for sending me this. So yeah, first I see two pencils, pink pencils, and it's written www.gentleday.com, so you can go on their site and I guess buy some items. So yeah, thank you very much. It's really beautiful. I love it. After, what I see, it's a purse, a mini purse. Like, you can put some girly things in it, or some, I don't know, hair bands or something like that. Or you can put money if you don't have girly things yet. So yeah, it's very beautiful. It's pink, it's with flowers, and actually it's really soft inside of it. So I love it. Thank you. After, I see a, oh my god, it's a Gentle Day box. It's a Gentle Day book. I really love it. It's white with flowers, pink, and of course it's written Gentle Day. So yeah, and inside you can just write your things, your secrets, or your girly things. So yeah, thank you very much. I love it. Yeah. After, I see some Gentle Day bamboo intimate wipes, and all these things is eco certified. So yeah, and it's Gentle Day cares about your health. Fragrance free, alcohol free, paraben free. So yeah. Oh, there's two of them in this box. Oh no, three of them. So yeah. Yay! After, I see a box. It's big, and it's Gentle Intimate Wash. Can be used daily as body wash. It's Gentle Day. So yeah, I love it. It's, yeah, maybe we will open it to see how it looks like. Oh, it's a white bottle. Oh, and it's really big. So, like, thank you very much. I love this stuff very much. We will put it back in, you know. After, I see girly things that I think all teens uses. It's Gentle Day Light Absorbency Teen. It's for teens. Just, yeah, mini pads for teens. And it's 12 in this. And here is 8. Yeah. So thank you. I love it. And I love because all these stuffs is with pink colors, because my favorite color is pink. So yay! So yeah, thank you very much. After, oh, there's another pink box, and it's written, oh, there's a note. Oh, hello dear, I have designed these stretchy organic cotton underwear for you to make your period more comfortable and less noticeable. The underwear has a little secret, using pockets to hide the wings of your Gentle Day pad. Your Sensory Gentle Day powder. PC and nobody will ever notice. So teen bikini XS. So yeah, this is the box. And it says that it's stretchy and you can hide your pads in it, that no one sees that you're having periods. And yeah, so actually it's really good, it's usable. And I see things, oh, there's a, oh, okay, like there's some like a card, and you can try the pads. Like if you don't like it, you can try another one, like you can test it. So yeah, it's good. And the last thing that I see, it's a calendar. Aw, that's so cute. Look at this. Oh, so yeah. And you can just write when you're having periods, or just to know what is day to day. So yeah, and I love that package, and I want to tell you one information, that if you want to get this package, you can use the code UNA. You can see the code right there, and I will put the link down below, because it's www.gentleday.com, and you can just order this box, and you can choose whatever you want to put in it. It could be a great gift, or for Christmas, for birthday, or just for you, for yourself. So yeah, because you can order whatever you want, not because these things was for me, but you can order whatever you want. You can just see in the site how I said, and I will link Gentle Day's all pages down below, like Instagram, Facebook. I guess they have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and yeah, and the internet page, and I will link my official pages down below. And yeah, thank you really much. Thank you very much for sending me this Gentle Day box. I appreciate it, and I love it so much. I will use this stuff, I promise. And yeah, thank you one more time, and don't forget to subscribe down below, to push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye, peace.